and have a good time with your friends.
Social district.
Responsibly.
Responsibly. Responsibly, a responsible social district.
Come on the market often, so if you see one,
Snap
you've
it up.
got 5 minutes. we have limited resources, right? There's limited land, so when you get like a really great property for a builder or a developer, it's very rewarding.
So, Dawn, where are we right now?
We are in Plaza Midwood.
And Plaza Midwood is so adorable. It's just, I love the characters. So what draws you to this neighborhood?
It's diversity, it's inclusiveness. It's a great neighborhood. It was established in 1903 as Charlotte's first streetcar suburb, and it is now just a vibrant community. It's going to be Charlotte's very, very first social district.
I read that. So what does that mean?
So what that means is that anywhere between Sip City and Morningside Pub, those are both on Central, you will be able to purchase an alcoholic beverage in a reusable stainless steel container, which is important.
Yes.
And you'll be able to drink alcohol on the street and have a good time with your friends.
Social district.
Responsibly.
Responsibly. Responsibly, a responsible social district.
Yes.
So one of the things that I always love about Plaza Midwood is just you mentioned the diversity of the residents, which is one of the wonderful things is people moving to Charlotte that are looking for that, where they can feel comfortable and safe and it feels like home. I love that. I also love the diversity of the architecture. So when were a lot of the homes built? And we've obviously had reconstructions and new construction. And
Yeah,
things like that,
it's the early 1900s.
Yeah,
right.
Pretty much all of it was then. Yeah.
Yeah, well, not all of it, but
Yeah.
what you see that's existing, and obviously you've got your odd 1990s, pop up.
Right.
Shouldn't say odd, I should say different.
A unique 1990s pop-up. How's that?
Pop up. But yeah, right now what you're going to see is your 1900s bungalows, and then you'll see your 1.1 to 1.3 million dollar new construction homes scattered throughout. You're going to see some $1 million townhomes and some condos, and for renters we've got tons of apartments too. So
that's good. Yeah,
there are a lot of different options if you want to live here.
Nice. So to give people who maybe don't know Charlotte, how far, you'd say kind of like heart of the neighborhood, how far is it to Uptown?
With forgiving traffic, maybe 12, 15 minutes.
Yeah, so you can get right up to anything, and then to South Park?
27.
Okay.
Yeah, 30.
And so then the price range obviously can have a wide price range based off size of home, but in a general sense, what are kind of those brackets?
If you were a first-time home buyer, right, and you wanted to be in Plaza Midwood, you could probably get like a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1900s bungalow for about $600. They don't come on the market often, so if you see one, you've got 5 minutes. Even in today's market, you've got 5.
You need to intuit that the house is going to come on the market and then try to take it then.
Yeah. And then you'll have your new construction. You're going to see between 1.1 and 1.5 on the very high end. And then we've got some mansions that come on the market because of the Charlotte Country Club.
Oh, yes.
And those are going to be $2+ million.
Yes.
Fun little fact, we also are home of Axios Charlotte's Home of the Year.
Okay.
The Charles E. Bernhard House that's owned by the principal of Grandfather Homes.
Oh, that's cool.
So we've got a lot of diversity in the population and in the homes too.
I love it. So now, as far as a realtor, so you primarily focus on, you said 28205?
28205, 28206. I do work outside of that, obviously, but that's kind of my home base.
And so how long have you been a realtor?
10 years.
What made you want to be a realtor? What drew you to it?
I live in Charlotte.
Yeah.
And I have a degree in political science, which means...
You don't live in D.C.?
I'm unemployable, right? I didn't want to go to law school, and I didn't want to go into politics, and I am not a banker. So I had friends that had a little boutique firm in Noda, and they asked me to go to real estate school, and
you're like, okay,
the rest is my story.
So what do you love about it?
My favorite part about real estate is new construction and development. I really enjoy finding opportunities. We have limited resources, right? There's limited land, so when you get like a really great property for a builder or a developer, it's
Yeah.
very rewarding. And I just I love all the nuances
And
that
to,
come
and to
along.
see and to see new construction but fit in with the character of the neighborhood too. I'm sure. Is
Oh
really
yeah,
nice to
yeah.
see. Just to kind of like.
I don't want to say anything negative.
Oh no, not saying anything negative. I'm just saying I think that that's rewarding, that that it's not just kind of like shoehorned in there, that it's something that maintains and helps the neighborhood to evolve.
Quality new construction.
Yeah,
exactly.
Absolutely. So, what do you not like about real estate?
My least favorite part of being a real estate agent is when, because of rising interest rates and the cost of living, cost of home ownership, there are people that really want to be homeowners, and it just doesn't.
Yeah, the math just doesn't math right now. Yeah,
it doesn't matter, what down payment assistance you have, what credit score you have. Sometimes it just comes down to you don't make enough money.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah. No, it does make it tough, because you want to be able to. I think it feels like, especially in markets like this, it feels like kind of that real estate train is leaving the station a little bit. You want to be able to kind of give somebody a foot up, and help them get up there. And it's hard when the situation and the math just doesn't make it possible.
Yeah. So that's my least favorite part.
To end on a high note, then, what is your craziest real estate story?
I don't really have a story.
Okay.
I have more of a character trait.
Okay.
And
all
that
right.
is,
I like that.
That is, of all the real estate agents in Charlotte and the Charlotte metro area, I am the worst driver. I am the worst driver.
So you're known for this?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes. I hit curbs. I can't find my own home without GPS.
Okay.
And as a matter of fact, I've had numerous clients offer to drive me when we're looking at properties.
They're like, no.
In their own cars.
No, we're fine. You're totally fine. Okay, so maybe the better question would be, what is your favorite GPS service? Are you team Waze, Google Maps, or Apple?
The iPhone Google Maps. That's
okay. Just a purist.
Easy.
Okay,
Yep.
There you go. That's
very easy.
Well, thank you for sharing your neighborhood with me.
Thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely.
Right.